Hi everyone, I'm Ari, she, her pronouns in the Club Hub, and I am going to be talking a little bit about how to use Canva, which is a graphic design platform that was actually made by a professor, so it's easy for students to use. On this particular page, I have chosen an Instagram post structure, and I'm going to go to templates so you can see what the options are. Recently used is this one, so we'll just go with this as an option for now, but you can go all the way through all of the options within this tab, and you can look up templates based on what you want, including by color and language. But this one is a really nice platform for actually structuring graphics for Instagram because they look neat and organized, and you get a lot of help with figuring out where to place different items on a page. For example, look at this. It tells you where the center is and what the boundaries are for the page. You can also upload your own images, videos, and sounds to use in videos and with general posts, whether they be for your story or for your feed. Recently used images like this can be used for backgrounds as well, which you see down here. So I'm going to switch out this background, put it in here. Obviously for that, you would want to change the color of the words, and they'll give you recommended colors based on the photo background you have, which is really, really handy. For this, I'm going to use black. Ta-da. It looks much better. Let's go ahead and look at elements again, because there are a lot of useful tools here. You can drag and drop cute images wherever you want. You can resize them, and I definitely recommend using them. Just make sure all of the items you use, if you are not paying for the more expensive option, which means paying for it in general, these are all free unless they have watermarks on them, waterlines. Here is the option for text. You can just select any one of these and structure anything on one of the templates you're using. You also do not have to use a template. If you are making video, which you see over here on the left, you can go to music right above that and choose music for the item you are working on. Backgrounds are here if you want to choose different ones. So let's say this is the one I wanted to use instead of any of the ones we already have used. And see these right here, you can remove those. I usually just select and then hit backspace or delete, which is really handy. But they have a lot of options, and you can look up, let's say I look up school. Oh, nothing came up for that one. Oh, that's because I had these colors selected, or those are recommended colors. So let's look up pink. What comes up for pink? A lot of options. If you do pay for the Canva app or to use design skills past what the site has to offer for free, you can create folders. But if you want to do more editing than Canva offers for free, I highly recommend using the Publicity Center on campus, which is free to students. If you want to share it out, it's really easy to do so right here on the screen. With any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will do my best to help you.